Hello and welcome to Naija Donors. I'm about to take you swiftly on a guide on how to make a donation on Naija Donors. You can make a donation on Naija Donors as a registered member or as a guest. For say now we are logged into our account, we go look for a campaign, click on a link to a campaign. When the campaign loads, you can decide to watch a descriptive video here, which is a compulsory requirement to be attached for any campaigner. So you can decide to watch an explanatory video here and then proceed to making your donation by clicking on this. Maybe you get to read more of this here first. View more. You get to read more on the campaign just below the video. You can also swipe left to see the recent donations. This was a donation made 10 days ago, and then updates, where the campaigner can be able to post updates of how far he or she has gone with the campaign. So this is the story. So you can then proceed by clicking on this donate now button. When you click on it, it takes you to the donation page where you are asked to insert your amounts, your name, your email, your country, a brief comments, say a word of prayer maybe, and then your choice of payments, which we currently integrate just Paystack at the moment. And so far so good. Paystack receives payments from all around the world. So all you need to do is choosing Paystack. You can decide to make a donation anonymously by clicking on this, and then you proceed with this. So like I said, you can make a donation as a registered member or a guest. You can do that as a guest. Say we are logged out, you are not registered, you just logged out. Let's say a random member or a random Nigerian who was given the link to make a donation. You can just simply click on that donation link, get into the campaign, read more, watch more, before you can then proceed to the donate now. And once you click on that, it takes you to the donation portal without logging in. Now, because you are not logged in, we are not able to get certain information about you, so you have to input your name accordingly. Let's say something like this. You get to insert your name manually, insert your amounts. Let's say the donation is 500. Input your email manually, select your country manually, get to Nigeria, enter a brief text. You see God blessings are on you. Okay, select your payment method. You say Paystack. Let's not donate anonymously. So with this now, you can donate without even logging in to your account or without having an account on Naija Donors. The only disadvantage with this is because you won't actually have a record apart from the donation receipt or a thank you email that you will get from us. You won't have a record of your donation kept in your account, which is not still bad. Or you can decide to first of all sign up and then have an account with us before proceeding with any donation, but this is still good. So when you're done with this, you move down and then you click on donate. So this loads our payment method. There is a pop-up where you can pay with either your card or your bank, or using this GTB code, or using this Visa QR, you scan and pay. So let's use our card here. So I'm going to, for the sake of keeping my information safe, I'm going to pause this video, input this information correctly, and then we'll proceed from there.